See my boy. This is Mackie boy, my boy. It's like he just woke up. And that's Milky boy. It's like they just woke up, you see? They are so lazy. Lazy boy. Look at the Taba boy. He's up. Maui boy. This is the kamatis. The kamatis that taste like manok. So this is our marinated bangus in here. Honey did her special touch, special sauce. You see, it's called anise sauce. So she put her special marination, and now she's frying the bangus. So delicious the bangus, mga tao. We're gonna make salad. She's washing the vegetables in the washing machine. This is our washing machine for vegetables. It's manual. So manual, this one. And in the bukid they use this.
No.
No, right? Because
Wala sa bukid to, sir.
this is our salad. You see? Pero hindi siya tapos ha, mga tao. Huwag mo isip, tapos na. Ito. Look at the boys. Milky boy. He looks like he's a display on the table. What are you, my boy? Why are you sitting here? Huh? Why? Why? Come. My boy. You're so heavy. They say you are so mataba. You're mataba. Mataba boy. Maui boy. We went to Annie.
Lagi na tayo sa kusina.
See, Maui boy, he's chef. That's why he goes to the kitchen. Oh, he's chef. That's why he's the pinakamataba. Right? Yeah. Yesterday they were laughing at him. We had visita. They are laughing how big he is. Okay. So let me show you where I put my gas tank. My gas tank is right here. You see? It's outside the house. So we don't keep gas tank inside the house. So as you notice, I have 3 gas tanks para lagi may reserve. Hindi tayo ubos. Never. Tapos you open this kasi wala tayo dirty kitchen para labas lahat yung amoy. See? Honestly guys, we didn't make dirty kitchen kasi I want to maximize the space as much as possible. That's why some people they suggested to me to make dirty kitchen in this corner, but this is my breakfast nook. You see? Hindi pa tapos mga tao. We're still gonna put table and maybe foam kasi matigas sa puwet. You see? So we're gonna put foam. And then this is my tree in here. See my tree? Christmas tree. It's ready. Pero wala na Christmas pa. It's still September tayo. So this is the bangus in here, mga tao, you see? Then let's try it with the rice. You see, because rice is life. And then let's put the sauce. This is, I think, calamansi, chili sauce, soy sauce. You see? Look at this. So you put it like that. This is my salad. And then I'll be putting garlic sauce. This is garlic, but it's not strong. So this is really for salad. It's dressing. It doesn't taste literally like garlic. So vegetable. Look at my boy. He came to my table. You have your food up, buddy. You smell the bangus? So this is the soil we got in here, mga tao. You see, mga tao? You spread all the soil and then we're gonna make tanim. We're gonna plant the seeds that I bought yesterday. I bought sunflower seeds and I bought other seeds. Look at the boys. They are exploring here. Ooh la la. So I will make before and after makeover on where I got my outdoor split in here. Looks very nice. You see, and it's color white. So I'm gonna add some grass in here, mga tao, and then I'll show you what I did in here. It's gonna be big transformation para you are in the Amazon. Look at this. You feel you are in the Amazon. Now, imagine how big my plant box is. And ito lang yung bili ko. Wala na laman.
Meron to, sir.
Meron? Para wala. Let's open. Ito yung
Ano
seeds.
60 pesos.
Mahal? Mahal na mahal kita! Bakit sa photo ganito? Here like that?
Tuyo.
Tuyo? Really?
Totoo.
Ubos yung 60 pesos ko? Ano? Ani, grabe. Ilan 60 kailangan? Ilan 60 kailangan ko? Ubos lahat yung pera ko para sa ganon. Grabe. Ano yan? Kailangan separate.
Para hindi na transfer. Diretso lang.
Look at it. This is 60 pesos, mga tao. Imagine. It looks like sunflower, the one you eat. So we're aiming to have this sunflower, guys. You see? Here. Sunflower. We'll see. Baka hindi siya tumabo. Ha? Ilan taon? My dad is
Wait
come.
natin 3 days.
Look at the boy. See here? He's laying down. We're gonna water our newly planted. Ilan taon? Ilan taon, Ani? You said? Ilan taon sabi mo kanina?
Tingnan natin mga 3 days kung tumubo.
Pag hindi tumubo, balik ako dyan. Sabi ko, hindi tumubo. Mayroon ako resibo. Oo. Pero 3 days talaga. 3 days, ano? So this is my normal routine, mga tao. See? Watering the halaman araw-araw. See? It's so nice to have halaman. This is my calamansi in here. You see, I always say calamansi for emergency. I only have one after 1 year. I did not eat it until now. I'm celebrating it. In here, mga tao, I have lemongrass. We just planted it. You see? Para when you eat tinola, you just grab it from here. You see, mga tao, we already set up the shoe cabinets in here. I have 5 cabinets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or no, apat lang. 4. You see, 4 cabinets. So I got plastic para when you wash the car, you know, when it gets wet in here, it doesn't affect it. It doesn't break. You see, you open it. Meron pa. Lahat meron. Niya. So lagay natin yung paa. Oo, mas maganda lagay yung paa para pag may tubig, it's a bit elevated, you see? You just open the drawers and you put your shoes. So, mga tao, today, I'm gonna show you something that I have never shown you before. Something that I kept for 1 to 2 years. That's how busy I am, mga tao. I'm so busy that I wasn't able to open and see what's inside the box. This is the silver play button in here. You see, this one, I got this when I hit my first 100,000 subscribers. In the salaming, umaga, you know, pag gising ka, you look here in the salaming and you remove your muta, you fix your hair, your buhok, you trim your beard, you see. I received this, I think, more than a year ago. Para galing World War, you see? You alikabok, look at this. Ooh la la. And let's see. Oh, para may styro. Para aircon. Wow, look. Recognize your team. Mga tao team. Team mga tao. You see? Boom, mga tao. Ooh la la. I only had the chance to unbox it after 1 or 2 years from the day that I received this model. This is how my silver play button looks like. Para ano, yung tatay, saka yung ano, yung anak, malaki, maliit. You see? So amazing, mga tao. this was inside. Ano ito? Para ano? Tissue. So fashion ito mga tao. Feeling Post Malone. So thank you very much YouTube for this, and mga tao, number 1 team mga tao. See, recognize your team, and I recognize my team as team mga tao. So let's see what I got in here. I already have a lot of photos of myself in the memorial wall. So sana ibang mukha. See, para hindi lahat yung mukha ko iba-iba, pero lahat mukha ko. This is Maki Boy, Milky Boy, and Maui Boy. Wow, look at this. Very, very amazing, talented, you know, artist that can capture. So let's give them shout out. Please take it as a gift. My name is Christian from Caloocan City. Very amazing, talented Filipino artist. I'll be reading the letter later on. So let's see what's inside. Boom, so many bubble wrap. Oh, see, I love to do this. It's so satisfaction level 1000. Stress reliever. This would never break mga tao. Even you hit it on someone's head, it will come back like brand new. Ooh la la. Look at this mga tao. So this is one of the kids that I helped before. The kid that was doing kalkalbote, and then I helped that kid to go back to school. I bought him school supplies, I bought him clothes, and then that was one of the very inspiring stories that I featured on my channel. So he was just a street boy, you know, roaming around the streets, you know, looking for bottles, looking for plastics to sell, and that's his way of supporting his family. So they put it in a frame, and then it has a message at the back. So I'll be reading the message later also. So shout out to Frances Hayden. You see, thank you very much for sending me this amazing gift. I really appreciate it. Here we come to the last package, mga tao. Bapang TV. So shout out to Bapang TV, Sir Basil, surprise for you, and not only for you, but also for the boys. So shout out to Bapang TV, mga tao. Let's open and see what Bapang gave to us. Oh la la, mga tao, choco pie from YOLO. Oh la la. So beautiful, mga tao. So this photo of me here, I was in Bataan. I was carrying Maui Boy, and I was standing in the window. Maki Boy, Maui Boy, and Milky Boy. You see? Super ganda, iba-iba. So, funny thing, when somebody enters our house, we'll just look at our memorial park wall, and then they're gonna find out that it's full of my mukha and my cat's mukha. All the mga tao who give me art, it's always either my face or the boy's face. So, thank you very much, po. I really appreciate it. So beautiful art. So we just got here in the mall, mga tao, and hindi ko alam pag may pila or wala nang pila. Ano, hindi ka takot, Ani? Okay na? Yung face shield mo, sira. Ano, lagay mo tape para hindi siya tanggal. Oh, so na yun, dapat astig. Bawal iyak sa loob. Bawal iyak sa loob. So, ano, sa isip mo, abot tayo? Habol. Oh, there's like 30 minutes left. We're gonna try. Ano, matagal ka, sulat. You're writing story of your life, huh? I think the location is upstairs here. We are in SM, and we're gonna try pag abot tayo. Imagine if we don't make it. Dito, kahit vaccinated. Hi, good morning mga tao. You see mga tao? These na mga tao there. You write your name, then you go inside, then they put the injection in you. Good morning mga tao. Okay. Sige. Alright.
Vaccine na rin, sir?
Oo, vaccine today. Thank you. Pero wala masyado tao dito. Sakto lang. just not that crowded, pero it's organized. There are chairs. Okay, you see, we're sitting here. I forgot my camera. That's why I only have my phone today. You see, para feeling ko sa train station tayo. Meron papunta sa Baclaran doon. Dito para papunta tayo sa Makati. Yung iba station. We have 3 stations here.
Hello!
Okay, thank you very much. Good morning mga tao.
Hi ka sa kanya. Ay, doon kanya minanood yung vlog niya.
Hi. Good. Lagyan ng putas anti-carbonara sa body, sa katawan ko. You see? Ani now? Ready? Bawal iyak dito, Ani? Oo, ako hindi iyak mamaya. See? Siguro mataas yung blood pressure ko kain kasi shrimp kanina. Okay.
Napalo namin yung vlog mo.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Pero kanina I ate a lot of kanin and shrimp. Baka mataas. Oo.
Picture mo na siya.
Okay, sige, picture muna tayo.
How old are you now?
Me? 28. Yeah. So, kailan ako vaccine? Puro fill up. Kailan ako vaccine? Puro right, fill up. Pero QR code. Oh, para wala na vaccine. Balik na lang.
Sir, no allergies on food, eggs,
Wala.
no asthma.
Oo.
Wala kayong sakit, sir, ha?
Wala ako sakit sa alam ko wala ako sakit.
Sa puso.
Sa puso, yung puso ko okay lang.
Okay. Walang sipon,
Wala na.
diarrhea.
Wala na diarrhea. Oh. Nothing?
Sir, nagbibigay po ako, ha?
Okay, sige. Shout out. Alright. So, Annie, she's nervous now. Nervous siya, para takot siya. Look at this.